Good morning, children. Hope you have followed the exercise that we have done in the last class. Yes, yes, children, did you all follow? Every one of you? Now, coming to today's class, in continuation of exercise 6.2, we are doing the fifth sum. The fifth question is AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Angle APQ measure is 50 degrees. Angle PRD. Angle PRD is 127. Find X and Y. When we use the word parallel, it must strike your mind that there is definitely a transversal in the figure, children. If AB is parallel to CD, children, PQ can be one transversal, PR can be the second transversal. What are PQ and PR? PQ is one transversal and PR is the second transversal. Now coming to first one, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD and PQ is the transversal. If lines are parallel and cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. If lines are parallel and cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. Angle APQ is equal to angle PQR. I am repeating, children. Angle APQ is equal to angle PQR. What is APQ measure? 50. Angle PQR measure X. Therefore, X is equal to 50 degrees. Second, if AB is parallel to CD, PR is also a transversal. AB parallel to CD, PR is the transversal. Name the angles on the either side of the transversal, girls. Angle APR, angle APR, angle APR, angle PRD, angle APR, angle PRD. What are they, children? They are alternate interior angles. So what is APR measure? 50 plus Y. PRD 127. 50 plus Y is 127. Therefore Y is equal to 77 degrees. Hope you have followed, children. Yes? Coming to the next question, children. Question number 6. The sixth question. Question number 6. A figure is already given there for you in the question. Yes. PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ, RS are two mirrors parallel to each other. They are mirrors parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror AB at P. The reflected ray BC moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects along CD. Prove that AB parallel to CD. What is given, children? PQ parallel are given. PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. To prove, what to prove? You have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Yes? To prove this, children, you have to draw the construction. Construction is draw BM. Draw BM perpendicular To PQ, draw BM perpendicular to PQ and CN perpendicular to and CN perpendicular to RS. Yes, solution. Yes, children, you all know the laws of reflection. When a ray of light strikes the mirror, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. AB is the incident ray. BC is the reflected ray for the mirror PQ. For the mirror PQ, AB strikes the mirror. So AB is the incident ray. BC is the reflected ray. For the mirror RS, children, BC is the incident ray and CD is the reflected ray. Yes, you know the laws of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Are you able to follow? Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Yes. At B, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. At C, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. By the law of reflection. By the law of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Yes. How are PQ and RS? PQ is parallel to RS. Why? It is given. And BM is, if PQ is parallel to RS, it implies that BN is also parallel to BM. BM is parallel to CN. BM parallel to CN. If BM is parallel to CN, children, what will be the transversal for these two parallel lines? Yes, as BM parallel to CN and BC is the transversal and BC is the transversal and BC is the transversal, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. When things are equal, their doubles are also equal. When things are equal, their doubles are also equal. If x is equal to y, children, 2x is equal to 2y, 3x is equal to 3y, 5x is equal to 3y. Twice angle 2 is equal to twice angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 means we are multiplying by the same number on both sides. Twice angle 2 is equal to twice angle 3. Twice angle 2 means what, children? Angle 1 plus angle 2. Twice angle 3 is what? Angle 3 plus angle 4. 1 and 2 together will make what angle? Angle ABC. 3 plus 4 will make which angle? Angle BCD. What are these angles? Alternate angles. What angles do you call them as? Alternate angles. If alternate angles are equal, the lines are parallel. Therefore, AB parallel to CD, that is proved. I am repeating, girls. In the figure, PQ is parallel to RS and you have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. This question is based on the principle or the laws of reflection. You know what are the laws of reflection? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I means what? Angle of incidence. Angle R is what? Angle of reflection. So the construction made is BM drawn perpendicular to PQ and CN drawn perpendicular to RS. Two lines perpendicular to the same parallel lines are also parallel to each other. Two lines perpendicular to the same parallel lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, BM is parallel to CN. BM parallel to CN. If the lines are parallel, you have a transversal BC. Which is the transversal? BC. If BC is the transversal for BM and CN children, what angles are 2 and 3? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. As BM is parallel to and BC is the transversal, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Can you tell the reason? The reason is alternate angles. When things are equal, the doubles are also equal. 2 is equal to 3. We are multiplying by the same number on both sides. X is equal to y. 2x is equal to 2y. 3x is equal to multiply by the same number. Both the sides will become equal. Twice angle 2. Twice angle 2 means what? Angle 1 plus angle 2. Twice angle 3 means what? Angle 3 plus angle 4. 1 plus 2 makes which angle? Angle ABC. And 3 plus 4 makes which angle? Angle BCD. In the figure, for AB and CD, these two angles are alternate angles. According to the properties of parallel lines, if two lines are cut by another line such that the alternate angles are equal, the lines are said to be parallel. Therefore, AB parallel to CD and proved. Hope you followed, girls. Triangle. What's a triangle? A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. What's a triangle, girls? A polygon. A polygon with 3 sides is a triangle. A polygon with 3 sides is a triangle. Polygon means a closed figure. Which are the 3 sides? AB, BC and AC are the sides of the triangle. And which are the 3 angles, girls? Angle A, angle B, angle C. The sum of the angles, you have been learning from 4th class. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Yes, children? There are also exterior angles also. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Angle 1, third one. What are 1, 2 and 3? They are exterior angles. The sum of the exterior angles, the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Which are the exterior angles? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 360 degrees. Fourth, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of 2 interior opposite angles. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 interior opposite angles. Opposite angles. Yes, therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle B plus angle C. Angle 2 is equal to angle A plus angle C. Angle 3 is equal to angle A plus angle B. These are the properties you should remember in triangles. What is a triangle? A polygon with three sides is a triangle. What is the meaning of the word polygon? A closed figure. Polygon means a closed figure. How many sides? Three sides. How many angles? Three angles. How many sides? Three sides. Three angles. Three vertices. Which are the sides? AB, BC, AC. Which are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C. The three vertices A, B and C. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So the inside angles measure is 180, but the exterior angles measure will be 360 degrees. Next, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle B plus angle C. Angle 2 is equal to angle A plus angle C. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Yes, given the figure, yes, triangle PQR. The name of the triangle is PQR. PQ is produced to S. PQ is produced to S. And QR is produced to T. RQ is produced to T. Angle SPR is equal to 135 degrees. Angle PQT is equal to 110 degrees. Find angle PRQ. This is what you are asked to find. Which angle you are asked to find? Angle PRQ. What is given, children? Yes, in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, angle SPR is how much? 135. Angle PQT is how much? 110 degrees. To find which angle? Angle PRQ. Yes, girls. Solution. Think, children. PQT, PQR. What do they form? A linear pair. What do they form? A linear pair. What do they form, girls? A linear pair. Yes, in triangle PQR, the first step, angle PQT plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. The reason? Linear pair. PQT means 110. PQR you do not know. Therefore, angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees minus 110, which is equal to 70. Second one, angle SPR. Angle SPR plus angle SPR plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degrees. Reason? Linear pair. What is SPR? 135 degrees plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degrees. Angle QPR is 180 degrees minus 135, which is equal to 45 degrees. Yes? What are you asked to find out, girls? Find angle PRQ. We are asked to find out angle PRQ. Third one. The figure is triangle. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle P is how much, children? 45 degrees. Q is how much? 70 degrees. Plus angle R is equal to 180. Angle R plus 115 degrees is equal to 180. Therefore, angle R is equal to 180 minus 115, that is equal to, angle R is nothing but angle PRQ. The same sum you can do another way, children. Yes, for 110, do you know this? You can make use of the exterior angle property also. For 110, for 135, the adjacent angle will be 45. 45 plus angle R is equal to 110. Therefore, angle R in this is equal to 65. Hope you have followed, girls. Homework, exercise 6.2, which sums 4, 5, 6. Exercise 6.3, first sum. Please do the homework, children. Do the homework and please request your parents to pay the school fee on time. You must be sincere in doing your work, children. Everybody write in the notebooks. Request your parents to please pay the fee.